Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to save your contact in your mobile. So let me go to the demonstration. First you need to click on the contact icon. So I'm going to click, and here you can find the existing contact, and the top of your phone there is a plus icon. You need to click on that, and here you need to type the fields, which means they ask the name. You can type the first name, middle name, last name. I'm going to type the first name. So my contact name is user, so I'm typing the contact user. So let's put the name as a user, and the organization, if the contact has any organization, you can type the organization. I'm typing the organization is school, and you can put any title, and here you need to put the mobile number, and here there is a triangle icon. You need to click on that, and here there are more options. If the contact has the home number, work number, main number, so you can select as per the selection. Here my contact has only home number, so I'm going to pick the home number. Then you will notify this will be changed as home, and you need to enter the number with the help of keyboard. So I'm going to type the phone number. Yes. And if you want to add more number of the particular contact, you need to click on this plus icon, and here also you can change the type of the contact, and here you can change the type, and here this is the workplace number of the contact, and here also you can type the number of this contact. So I'm going to type the work number of that contact, and here you can add more number to the particular contact. You can add many numbers to the particular contact, and here you can put the email address here, and here you can put this email address, and here if you want to add more notes related to this contact, you can put the note, he is my new friend or something. You can type it here. And another thing, if you want to add this contact to your group, to your existing group of your contact directory, you can you need to click on this plus icon and add to the group. And if you want more features, you need to click on this add more fields, and here you can see there are a lot of information you can fill under this contact. You can create the internet call, and you can provide the AIM number, ringing tone for the particular contact. You can pick the ringing tone, and you can choose the particular specific ringing tone to this contact. Then only you will notify this contact is calling me. So, and you can provide the nickname also. If this contact has the website, you can provide the website name also, and here you can pick the date of birth of this contact. Then you will notify his or her birthday. So, and here you can provide the relationship of the contact. You can provide this is sibling, you can put the sibling or any of the relationship, and then you need to select this tick icon, which means this icon. Then only you can save the contact successfully, and here you can visible the contact that you have saved. And if you want to edit the contact that you have saved, you need to click on this edit button, and here you can change the contact name or any of the fields. I want to change the name of the contact. I'm going to change the name as Hannah, and you need to select this tick icon. So then you will edit the contact name. and here you can click on the edit icon and you can change several things by this editing process. So that is the thing. So I hope you will understand how to save the contact in your mobile. So let me see in another video. Thank you. Bye. It will be useful to you.